Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to enable and disable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. And firstly, let's just unlock the phone, and here we will need to open settings, then scroll a bit to see the advanced features, and now we can see one-handed mode. You can enable it by simply tapping on this switcher, but if you select this tab, you would be able to enable one of two options, gestures or buttons to trigger this mode. So if you choose gestures, you need to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen, like that, and one-handed mode will be enabled. If you just switch to the button, you just need to double tap this home button to activate one-handed mode. So now you can use these arrows to move it to the left side or right, and also you can press this line and drag it onto the screen higher or lower and use it like you would normally do in the full-size mode. So if you want to exit this mode, you just need to tap on any free space of the screen and now it's gone. To disable it, just simply tap on the switcher once more and that's it. Also notice that if you just take out your S Pen, you won't be able to enable one-handed mode because it does not work when S Pen is removed from the phone. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.